In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use milestones for large freelance projects to keep things on track and avoid common pitfalls. If you've ever been overwhelmed by managing large projects as a freelancer, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan that'll make managing those projects smoother and more efficient. When you're working on large freelance projects, it's easy to get lost in the details and feel like you're losing control. This is where milestones come in. Milestones break your project down into manageable chunks, helping you stay focused and giving both you and your client clear expectations of progress. But what's the best way to use them? Let's dive in. First, you want to define the overall goal of the project. Before you start creating milestones, make sure you and your client are aligned on the final deliverable. This could be a website, a graphic design, a marketing campaign. Whatever the project is, make sure everyone knows what success looks like at the end. Now take that big project and break it down into smaller phases. Each phase will have its own milestone. For example, if you're designing a website, you might have milestones like initial design draft, client review, final revisions, and launch. By organizing your project this way, you'll reduce overwhelm and keep the momentum going. The key to using milestones effectively is to set clear deadlines and deliverables for each one. For example, don't just say design completed, be specific. Design completed and approved by client by X date. The more specific you are, the clearer things will be for both you and your client. Also, remember to use milestones as a way to assess progress. After each milestone, check in with your client. Are they satisfied? Did the milestone meet expectations? This will allow you to make adjustments early on if needed and keep the project on track. The beauty of milestones is that they also allow you to manage payments more effectively. You can tie payments to the completion of each milestone. This ensures you get paid for the work you've done and minimizes the risk of not getting paid if the project stalls. For instance, you might receive 20% of the project fee after the initial design, 40% after the client approves, and the remaining 40% when the project is fully delivered. This is a great way to protect your cash flow while keeping the client motivated. To help you stay organized while managing these milestones, I recommend using project management software. I've tried a lot of them, but this software stands out, and I'm offering you an exclusive free trial in the description below. It will help you set up, track, and manage milestones for your large projects all in one place. If you're serious about streamlining your freelance projects, I highly recommend giving it a try. So, what's the key takeaway? Milestones are the best way to break down large freelance projects into manageable tasks, set clear deadlines, and ensure you're paid for each phase of your work. Be specific with your milestones, communicate regularly with your clients, and use software to keep everything on track. To recap, break your project down into phases, set clear deadlines, use milestones for progress checks, and tie payments to each milestone. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description to make managing your projects even easier. Thanks for watching.